Cheerful morning to one and all. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to discuss the whole unit of trip to the store. Children, tell me what are all the topics we discussed in trip to the store? You are correct, children. Look and say. In look and say, we learnt the names of grocery items, isn't it? Yes. Next, we learn at the grocery store, poem, Varun's day out, story, and great cooking contest. Isn't it, children? Yes. Let us recall the whole unit. Ghee, Ghee, ghee. Milk, milk, milk. Honey, honey, honey. Oil, oil, oil. Rice, rice, rice. Ragi, ragi, ragi. Wheat, wheat, wheat. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Bengal gram, bengal, Bengal gram, gram, gram. Bengal gram. Green gram, green, green. Gram, gram, gram. Green gram. Black gram, black, black. Gram, gram, gram. Black gram. Cardamom, cardamom, cardamom. Chickpeas, chick, chickpeas, peas, peas. Chickpeas. Garlic, garlic, garlic. Onion, onion, onion. Ginger, ginger, ginger. Dates, dates, dates. Cashew nuts, cashew, cashew. Nuts, nuts, nuts. Cashew nuts. Groundnuts, groundnuts, groundnuts. Mint, mint, mint. Curry leaves, curry, curry leaves, leaves, leaves. Curry leaves. Coriander leaves, coriander, coriander leaves, leaves, leaves. Coriander leaves. Salt, salt, salt. Red chilli, red chilli, chilly, chilli. Tamarind, tamarind, tamarind. Pepper, pepper, pepper. Cumin, cumin, cumin. Turmeric, turmeric, turmeric. Let us recall the poem at the grocery store. At the grocery store, find everything you need and more. Saffron and cinnamon are not very common. Grains and sprouts, eat them without a doubt. I repeat, at the grocery store, find everything you need and more. Saffron and cinnamon are not very common. Grains and sprouts, eat them without a doubt. Almonds and dates, share them with mates. Milk and oil, corn, pack them with a foil. Now get these to your door from the grocery store. I repeat, almonds and dates, share them with mates. Milk and oil, can't pack them with a foil. Now get these to your door from the grocery store. Children, let us learn few questions and answers from the poem Grocery Store. Number 1. Where do we find our needy things? Where do we find our needy things? Answer is, we find our needy things in the grocery store. We find our needy things in the grocery store. Number 2. Which are not very common? Which are not very common? Answer is, saffron and cinnamon are not very common. Saffron and cinnamon are not very common. Number 3. What do we share with our mates? What do we share with our mates? We share almonds and dates with our mates. We share almonds and dates with our mates. Rhyming words. Number 1. Store. S-T-O-R-E. Store. More. M-O-R-E. More. Number 2. Cinnamon. C-I-N-N-A-M-O-N. Cinnamon. Common. C-O-M-M-O-N. Common. Number 3. Sprout. S-P-R-O-U-T. Sprout. Doubt. D-O-U-B-T. Doubt. Number 4. Dates. D-A-T-E-S. Dates. Mates. M-A-T-E-S. Mates. Number 5. Oil. O-I-L. Oil. Foil. F-O-I-L. Foil. Children, let us learn few additional question answers from the story Varun's Day Out. Let us start, children. Number 1. Which day is perfect for a picnic? Which day is perfect for a picnic? A warm, sunny day is perfect for a picnic. A warm, sunny day is perfect for a picnic. Number 2. Which two vegetables look similar? Which two vegetables look similar? Ashgourd and pumpkin look similar. Ashgourd and pumpkin look similar. Number 3. Where did Varun play in the park? Where did Varun play in the park? Varun played on the swing and slide in the park. Varun played on the swing and slide in the park. Let us recall Great Cooking Contest. The Great Cooking Contest. Gayatri was a cute girl. She liked to cook and make traps. She helped in the kitchen, but she is not allowed near the stove. One day, her school posted a note with the name The Great Cooking Contest. It said that children must cook without fire. All in Gayatri's class took part in the contest. She told her mom about the contest and asked her help. Gayatri said, "A fruit salad will not make me win." Mom said, "Why don't you try our laddu? It is easy and tasty." She learned to make our laddu. She was ready for the contest. On the day, all were busy with peeling and cutting. Gayatri did not panic and took her time to start. She took a cup of oil and soaked it in water. Then she added nuts and honey. She mixed them well and rolled them into 8 laddus. Gayatri's name was called. She took the owl laddus and ran. Crash! She fell down and her laddus got crushed. She was sad. She took it to the school head. The head tasted the crushed laddus and said, "Your owl bundi is really tasty." The time had come to name the winner. The school head on the mic said, "Gayatri of class 3 is the winner." Gayatri was very happy. Children, let us learn few past tense from the story The Great Cooking Contest. Let us start, children. Ask, asked. Ask, asked. Take, took. Take, took. Say, said. Say, said. Fall, fell. Fall, fell. Come, came. Come, came. Thank you, children.